Alright guys, what's up? Not much. Working on the project EP3. We have the seats out because it is disgusting in here. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to do just a little video, just kind of pull some interior stuff out because I think we got to clean this stuff up because like I tried cleaning it out, it's not working. Also need some interior, mod suggestions on what we should do. Because like the last car, we had the factory steering wheel. We like put gauges right here. We had like a delete plate in here. I think I took the AC. Yeah, I did. I took the AC controls and we moved them down there in the corner. So you still had your AC controls over here. We had gauges right here, but this is a different car. I kind of want to do something different, but it's up to you guys. If you guys want the same panel, we'll put the same panel in here. Because I didn't have a radio. I think I had like what I have like switches or something right here. I had like a switch panel right there or something. But if you guys want to keep the same, because the other one was just full interior, clean. If you guys want to switch it up, we can do like a cage in here or something. Strip it, gut it. I don't know, whatever you guys want to see. I'm open. Just leave in the comments below what you want to see. So, but right now, as you can see, I've already taken the seats out because I'm trying to clean everything up in here because it's like that bad. So like, look at this down here. Like, ew, gross, bro. Who has this much change too? Like, I don't. Maybe this dude just, who knows? But she's pretty dirty in here. I've already cleaned up like 90% of the dirt, but like this is just some stuff that I can't really get out. So what we're gonna do is basically strip everything down in here, take it out of the car, and we're either gonna clean it up, put it back. I don't know. It's up to you guys. If you guys want to do a stripped car, we'll, put a cage in here or something, and we'll kind of, gut as much as we can out. Cause like, I mean, like even up here and stuff, guys, like the camera probably doesn't show as dirty and like messed up as this stuff is, but like, she's pretty hurt. Like we're sagging back here. We could fix this. Yeah, so I don't know. It's got a lot of stains on it. I think like a soda exploded in here. Like I don't know what he was doing. So maybe he was like, that looked really bad. So maybe he was like shaking his soda up and then it just went like and just sprayed all across the roof because it's pretty bad in here. So yeah, guys, I guess let's go ahead and start stripping this thing out, cleaning up in here. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do we want like a, like a Nardi wheel? Like I have in the MR2 and the RSX. I got a Nardi wheel in here. So if you guys want to see like a wheel, what do you want to do with this? What do you guys want to see this? Do you guys think we should get racing seats? I think the last one we just had the factory seats, but if you guys want to put some Recaros in here, or we can get some Kirky seats, or what do you guys want to see the car? It's up to you guys. So all right, let's go ahead and get to stripping. So carpet's out of the car. We just got that out. I mean, it's, bro, I don't know how, bro. How you get dirt under the carpet, bro? Like, it's dirt under the carpet. Like normally when you pull the carpet out of a car, it's pretty like I don't know, like maybe back here you see how it's kind of like clean. I mean, there's still trash and stuff, but like it's supposed to look like this when you normally pull a carpet out of a car, not like this. So guess we'll clean this up, vacuum it up. I don't know, we might pull the sound deadening out of this thing and just lay the carpet back over it just to free up some weight. So we might pull the sound deadening out and then clean the carpet, put it back in. I don't know, but stripped, and I guess let's keep going, stripping the full car. Let's get everything out of here. All right, so floor's out, roof's out. Let's go ahead and get back seats out, and let's go ahead and get side panels out, trunk out. So let's keep it rolling. And we are done. Woo! Fully stripped, buddy. Fully stripped EP. She's all out. Only thing I left the door panels in and the dash, obviously, because that's it. But oh, and the sunroof, that's still in too. I thought about doing a sunroof plug, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cool to have, kind of cool to have a sunroof. So we might keep the sunroof just for that. But yeah, so we're stripped. I vacuumed in here. I got most of the stuff up. It looks a lot better. I guess the only thing is, do you guys think we should like cut this out, like cut the walls out, or like basically strip it to the point where it's like really, really, really lightweight? Because like right now it's still kind of full weight. I might cut some stuff just to kind of clean it up, because I guess next video what we're probably gonna do is probably dry ice this stuff out. This sound deadening stuff, it's everywhere. It's here, it's in the back, all this, get all that out. So we might sound deadening next, throw some paint in here. I'm not really too sure on what we're gonna do next. Oh, I did find this out. This thing does have like some premium audio Pioneer speakers. So if you guys think we should keep the speakers, keep the audio kind of set up, I kind of would like an audio setup. But I mean, it doesn't matter if you guys think we should just basically cut all this out, cut this stuff out in the roof and all that, and just kind of really get this thing light. That would be nice, because I'd like to keep this car like pretty light if I could. That is a header that came with the car in the back. I guess we can go over that later. It's pretty bad. Like, I think it's like factory from like here to here, but then like from here to there, they kind of just like, I don't even, they had to use like a gasless welder or something like that, because there's holes in the weld. It's pretty bad. But yeah, guys, we're stripping stuff out of here. I found a lot of wires. Oh, with this radio, holy crap, dude. I guess the dude who had this car, like the radio he had in here was like, oh yeah, like look, this is all the stuff I pulled out just behind the dash. Like that was just, all that stuff was literally tucked all back in here. So like, woo, like I took the panel off and I was like, oh, like this could be a headache. So I don't know who installed the radio, but did a horrible job. But they did leave us some nice speakers. I'm pretty sure those speakers are also in the door. I don't know if they are, who knows. But yeah, guys, so I guess next video, let me know below if because I'm probably gonna take this stuff out next video, but the next video after that, we're either going to cut all this out and all that out to lighten this thing up, or we're gonna leave it and just paint it. So that's what I want to know below. What should we do? Should we cut, paint? I'm probably planning on doing it black, because the car is black. I didn't really want to do like, any other color or something like that, just because that's just way too much work. But yeah, guys, we're stripped out. We're looking good. Yeah, stripped EP. So, all right, guys. I don't know. Next video, we'll probably pull this out. But other than that, leave suggestions below what you think we should do next, or what you want to see on the car. It's really up to you guys. So, as you can see, whatever happens in the comments, this is what happens. So, all right, guys. Later.